Hi, welcome back to my channel, my dear friends. If you're watching me first time, then let me tell you, my name is Pragati Mishra and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. So please welcome. I'm also learning English just like you. Okay, through this channel, I shares whatever I learns and sometimes I shares my feelings. I express them as a real talk. Okay, so in my today's video, I'm gonna share you commonly used words which we mispronounce. Okay, and even we don't realize it. So, if your pronunciation is quite good, then you can test your English. Otherwise, listen it carefully and use them while speaking English. My dear friends, these 20 words are very common, but the pronunciation is very important. Okay, the first word is vegetable. No, not like this. It's vegetable. Okay. The word number 2 is photographer. No, it's photographer. The third word is breakfast. No, it's breakfast. The fifth word is technology. No, it's technology. The fifth word is receipt. No, it's receipt. The sixth word is almond. Oh god, it's not like that. It's almond. The seventh word is hotel. No, it's hotel. The eighth word is tortoise. No, it's tortoise. The ninth word is forget. It's forget. Okay. So 10th word is garage. It's garage. The 11th word is celebrity. No, it's celebrity. The 12th word is epitome. No, it's epitome. The 13th word is niche. No, it's niche. The 14th word is genre. Of course not. It's genre. The 15th word is catchy. It's cash. The 16th word is debut. No, it's debut. The 17th word is omelette. Of course not. It's omelette. Okay. Now let's move to the word number 18th, that is buffet. No, it's buffet. And the word number 19th is sword. It's sword. The last word of today's video is subtle. It's subtle. Only subtle. Okay. So hopefully you had matched your pronunciations with the correct pronunciation. My dear friends, through this video, if you had related something important, then okay, it's thanks. You can say thanks. I know you will not comment because we all are lazy. Okay, so I can understand. We should be careful. To speak like a native speaker, we should pronounce them correctly. Okay, and I am focusing on these mistakes so that I can improve myself, my way of speaking English in a better version. Okay, so my dear friends, let's stop here and take care. Keep moving forward. Bye bye.